How far from the base of the pole should the stack be driven so that the wire will be taut? Here a wire is attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meters. Okay. Here this is a vertical pole. The height of the vertical pole is here 18 meters. It is the vertical pole of height 18 meters. Is 24 meters long and has a stack attached to the other end. So here a wire. So a stack is attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stack be driven so that the wire will be taut? Right. Here this AC is the wire, this AB is the what? Pole. Here a wire is attached. This AC is the wire is attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meters. What we have to find here, how far from the base of the pole should be stack be driven so the wire will be taut, right? Here we have to find this BC here. Okay. Now what is BC? AB, my dear students? AB is the height of the pole, right? Height of the pole. Height of the pole. This is equal to 18 meters. And what next here? This wire, the length of the wire is 24 meters. Length of the wire is equal to 24 meters. That means that AC is equal to 24 meters. It's very simple sum. I want to leave you this sum for homework, but I am covering all the sums in this 10th class, right? Okay. See, now we can apply this Pythagoras theorem. We have to find the distance between B and C. How far it is taut, right? That means, according to Pythagoras theorem, this AC square, AC is the hypotenuse, that AB square plus BC square, since it is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. That means AC means 24 square is equal to 18 square plus BC square. So BC square is equal to 24 square minus 18 square. So BC square is equal to 24 plus 18 times 24 minus 18. Why? A square minus B square. So it is equal to 24 plus 18. 8 plus 4, 12. 1, 3, 4. 42 into 6. Right. So this is BC square is equal to 6 into 7 into 6. That means BC is equal to, my dear students, 6 into 6, 36. That means 6 into root 7 meters. So how far this wire is to be taut? That's 6 into root 7 meters. Okay, right. Coming to the 9th sum in this exercise 8.4 and 12th sum for CBSE students. Actually, this sum is not given in the CBSE students, in CBSE textbook, right? 9th sum. Two poles of height 6 meters and 11 meters stand on the plain ground. Just imagine this is a plain ground. There are two poles, one is 6 meters and other one is 11 meters. Both are standing on the what? Plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meters, this distance is, just imagine, here A, B are the bottoms. So 12 meters. The distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meters. Find the distance between their tops. Okay. Here we have to find the distance between the tops. I hope you understand this statement here. Two poles of heights 11 meters and another one is 6 meters and 11 meters stand on plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meters, find the distance between their tops. Okay. Look here. See, just this is some S and this is some P. Okay. S and P are the tops of the poles. We have to find the distance between their tops here. Okay, my dear students. Here, this is 11 meters. This is S. Okay. So here SA is what? The height of the first pole. The height of the first pole, that is 6 meters, and PB. SA is over. No, PB is the height of the second pole. The height of the second pole, that is 11 meters. The distance between the two poles, AB, is the distance between the 2 feet. Distance between the two poles. Right, AB is the distance between the two poles. What we have to do here, we have to find the distance between S and P. That means the tops, the distance between the two tops. Just join here like this. So this is, let it be R, some capital R. Now my dear students, here this SA and SA is equal to RB. Both are equal to 6 meters. If it is 6 meters, my dear students, what about this one? 5 meters. Why? The total height of this pole PB is 11 meters. Okay, you got it. This is 6 meters, this is also 6 meters. But the total height of the pole is 11 meters. If it is 6, then the other part is 5 meters. The top must be 5 meters. Okay. Now my dear students, here this is also 12 meters. That SR is equal to AB. That is also 12 meters. Okay. See, actually this is a right angle. This is also right angle. Vertical pole on the plane ground makes an angle 90 degrees. Okay. Now here, if you join this SP, it is also right angle. No, my dear students. Now, what is the triangle SPR? That SPR is a right angle triangle. So, in triangle SPR, this angle PRS is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That means SP square is equal to SR square plus PR square. SP square is the hypotenuse, is equal to SR square plus PR square. But we don't know what is SP. We are going to find the two tops of the poles, the distance between the two tops of the poles. That means SP square is equal to SR square means 5 square plus this is 12 square, right? So SP square is equal to 5 square is 25 plus 144. 12 square is 144. 12 times 12, not 12 into 2. Okay, so this is SP square is equal to 169. SP is equal to square root of 169, that is 13. Therefore, can you see here, right? The distance between the two tops of the poles is 13 meters. This SP is 13 meters. Coming to the 10th question in exercise 8.4 for AP board students, and this sum is already in CBSE textbook also. That is 15th question in exercise 6.5. In an equilateral triangle, ABC, D is a point on BC. Here this is D is a point on BC such that this BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. And prove that, what is to be proved here? To prove 9AD square is equal to, right, 9AD square is equal to 7 times AB square. 7 times AB square. Okay, look here my dear students. Now let us do a small construction here. What is the construction here? This is E. Just draw AE perpendicular to BC. So again we join this AD also and join AD. Actually this AE is perpendicular to BC. That means AE perpendicular to BC means in a triangle, it is passing through the opposite vertex means this is also called an altitude. Okay. Now my dear students here, now coming to the proof here. Since ABC is an equilateral triangle, let us take let AB and BC and AC, all the sides are equal, no? That is x units. All the sides are equal to small x units. So this is x, and this is small x. Okay. See, this E is the midpoint of BC. Already we have proved in the previous sum, not in the previous sum exactly. We have already proved that this BE and EC are equal. Yeah, in the third sum in exercise 8.4. How we proved there this BE and EC are equal? By taking triangle ABE and triangle ACE, we prove that the triangle ABE and AC are congruent to each other according to RHS congruency rule. Therefore, that BE and EC are equal. Please write the same steps here also. This BE and EC are equal. Why they are equal means triangle ABE and triangle ACE are congruent to each other according to RHS congruency rule. Therefore, if two triangles are congruent according to CBSE, that BE and CE are equal. See here that BE is equal to EC. This BE and EC are equal to x by 2. Why? This BC is, what is BC my dear students here? This BC is x. So what about BE, that is x by 2? That means BC by 2, that is x by 2 units. So this BE is x by 2. That BE is x by 2. Okay. But in the given that BD, here BD, BE is x by 2. Okay. BC is small x. Okay. What about BD? BD is 1/3 of BC. That means BD is equal to 1/3 of BC is small x. Therefore, BD is equal to x by 3. This BD is x by 3. What about DE, my dear students? DE. See, DE means, okay, BE minus BD is D, you know. Otherwise, we can write one more step here. BE is equal to BD plus DE. That means BE is equal to, what is BE? Here we have written here. That is x by 2 is equal to BD is x by 3 plus DE is unknown. Therefore, DE is equal to x by 2 minus x by 3. So this DE is equal to 3x minus 2x by 6. So that is x by 6. Okay. So my dear students, BC is small x units. BE is x by 2 units. Why? The E is the midpoint of BC. We already proved in the third sum. So this BE is x by 2 and this BD is 1/3 of BC, that means x by 3, and this DE is x by 6. Just I will write with red pen here. BE what? X by 2. BE, that is x by 2. Next one is what? BD, that is x by 3. And what is DE? That is x by 6. DE is equal to x by 6. Okay, just remember. Okay, now, you know, my dear students, AE is an altitude. Altitude means which is perpendicular to the base and also passing to the opposite vertex, passing through the opposite vertex. Now, in triangle ABE, angle AEB is equal to 90 degrees. Angle AEB is 90 degrees since AE is an altitude. Okay, so that means what is the hypotenuse in triangle ABE? That is AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. So AB square means that is x square is equal to AE square is unknown, that is the length of the hypotenuse. BE square means what is BE, my dear students? Here x by 2 whole square. Already we did this sum in exercise. We found that the length of the what? Altitude in which sum? In the third sum only, right? In the same sum, third sum only. In the third sum, we find that what? The length of the altitude. We use the same steps also here also, right? By taking triangle ABE. Okay. So this is implies AE square is equal to x square minus x square by 4. So AE square is equal to x square 4x square minus x square by 4. So this is implies what? 4x square minus x square is 3x square by 4. This is equal to AE square. Now what is AE, my dear students? AE is root 3 by 2. So here AE is equal to root 3 by 2 into x. Okay, now we find that AE also here. AE is root 3 by 2 into x. Okay, just add here one more, that AE is root 3 by 2 into x. Okay, see my dear students, up to here we did nothing. Simply we'll write what is BC x. BE is half of BC, that is x by 2. Next BD means 1/3 of BC, that is x by 3. And DE means BE minus BD, that is x by 2 minus x by 3, that is x by 6. And now we have just find the value of AE, that is the length of the hypotenuse, by using triangle ABE and Pythagoras theorem. Here this is Pythagoras theorem. Please don't write in short form, okay? Please write full form only. I have not enough space here, that's why I use shortcuts. Okay, this AE is equal to root 3 by 2x. Now my dear students, here just observe the triangle here. ADE, observe the triangle. Just remember this. Take the triangle ADE. Here what we have to prove actually here 9AD square. So let us take the triangle ADE now. In triangle ADE, this is right angle now, my dear students. Angle E is equal to 90 degrees here, right? Now can we apply that Pythagoras theorem here also, right? That AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. This is since Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, right? So AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. This is according to Pythagoras theorem. So we have taken triangle ADE, this is right angle triangle, so we applied Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so AD square is equal to, AE means what here, my dear students? Root 3 by 2x. So instead of this AE, I will write root 3 by 2x whole square. Plus DE means what, my dear students? Here x by 6. Here I have written no. So this is x by 6 whole square, right? So this is AD square is equal to root 3x by 2 whole square means 3x square by 4 plus this is x square by 36. Okay, now here AD square is equal to, let us multiply with 9 here. Here also 9 by what? Equalizing the two denominators. Here it is 36. To get 36 here, just multiply with 9. So that means 27x square, 9 3s are 27x square by 36 plus x square by 36. Okay. Now this is AD square is equal to 27x square plus x square is 28x square by 36. Okay, my dear students. Now we can cancel the four table, no? So here 4 table in 28 7 times. Here in 36 9 times. So by cross multiplication, my dear students, are you able to see here? Can you see this? This is 9 AD square is equal to, by cross multiplication, 9AD square is equal to 7x square. 7x square. But what is x? AB, BC and AC. All the three sides are equal to small x only. So instead of this x, we can take it as AB. Therefore, 9 times AD square is equal to 7 times AB square. Hence, it is proved. Just once you look at the